It felt like summer when you walked in,
Sure
right?
did, yeah.
Yeah, it feels like summer, and then it's going to have spring thunderstorms in the forecast. Technically, we are not summer for another, well, about 3.5 weeks. Bless you over there if you sneezed, John. Blue skies, clear skies, clouds thickening later this afternoon as the frontal system kind of approaches a quasi-stationary front. Before that, though, what a wonderful time to get out and about. Hell's Kitchen, Jamaica, Queens, East Orange, New Jersey, Larchmont, Westchester. If you're getting up to go do a run or take the kids somewhere, 65 to 70 degrees. This is like July weather. Humidity will be on the rise today as this stationary, quasi-stationary front is to the west of us, continues to bring a lot of moisture up from the Gulf of Mexico. The question is, what time will we get thunderstorm activity? It's cut off. The low and the front are not attached to the upper level winds, therefore it can do whatever it wants. Some models say this, some models say other things. I'm going to show you the worst case scenario here because there is the problem for, there could be severe weather. So at 4 p.m., keep in mind, it is a cutoff low. So if it meanders, it's going to dictate if it goes south or if it stays north or west. But here we are. 5 o'clock, I'm going to be at the ready with my umbrella. If this happens, and we've got a lot of moisture in the atmosphere, especially coming off the Atlantic and down from the Gulf, that at 5 p.m. you're going to have high winds, heavy rain, and thunderstorm activity. If you see reds or pinks on the rain futurecast, like there over Breezy Point and Yonkers, that's strong updrafts and downdrafts. The higher moisture-laden area rises, say if it gets up to like 30,000 feet, which these red cells typically indicate to me since I've been doing this over 30 years, that means you're going to get a deluge of rain on top of you and you're going to get soaked in a few seconds without the umbrella. That's 6 o'clock over in Long Island. Then again, another round. Again, this is concrete, but it's not concrete. But I'll tell you this, at 9 p.m. you could have the same situation into 10 p.m. and then the low's not going anywhere. See the cutoff low? There it is. You see the rotation? That's through Monday. It actually goes through Tuesday, saying the low is going to be over us, bringing a chance of rain. Here's what's guaranteed, temperatures today. And the way I try to figure what's happening in the atmosphere is to look at the jets. If the subtropical jet is to the south of us and we get the Canadian jet over us, that takes our temperature down. That's not happening. The subtropical jet has all that heat down south and it brings up that warm air over us. So today, your temperature is well above your average high of 68 degrees. We're going to be at 85, so that's about 16 degrees above our average high because of that southwest wind. As quickly as Monday, the jet stream comes down from Canada, cools us off a little bit, and that'll take our temperature down. This is supposedly the high. It all depends on that cutoff low, but let's say we're going to be in the upper 50s to low 60s. And then on Wednesday, the jet stream says from the south, I'm bringing some warm air up again, and I'm going to heat you up. 71, still above our average, but it'll be cooler than today. So cutoff low, when I come back, we'll take another look at it, but there is a threat of severe weather today. We'll see if that happens, and maybe tomorrow and maybe Monday.